Hello, Namo Buddhaya. Today I am going to discuss about the intention, attention, and contact. Actually, we have been discussing about the 5 omnipresent mental factors, and among them, I have already explained regarding the topic of feelings and discernment. So today I'm going to talk about the intention, attention, and contact. So what is intentions? So intention is something, it is a mental factor that activate, it activates our mind to move towards the objects. In the scripture, it has given the analogies of magnets, So magnet, it moves the iron. So similarly, intention moves our minds towards the objects. So this is the definitions of intentions. So intention is a mental factor that moves and incites the mind with which it concomitant towards the objects. So this is the definitions of intentions. So if you look at the types of intentions, there are 6 types of intentions. Intentions that arises from contact involving the visual sense faculty, and intentions that arises from the contact involving the ear faculty, and the intentions that arises from the from contact involving the nasal faculty, and intentions that arises from contact involving the tongue faculties, sense tongue faculties, then intentions that arises from the from contact involving the body sense faculties. Then the last one that, intention that arises from the contact involving the mental sense faculties. So these are the 6 types of intentions. So what is the functions of intentions? The function of intention is, it motivates, or it allows, it activates, our mind. It motivates the actions of thoughts, actions of body, and actions of speech. So as I mentioned earlier, that it is like a magnet. So magnet moves the irons. So similarly, intention makes the mind to engages towards the objects. Now we will discuss about the attention. So what is attention? Attention, it is also a mental factor. It directs our mind towards the particular objects. So this is the definitions of attentions. Attention is a mental factor by its own power, directs the mind with which it is concomitant to a particular objects. So if I give you an example, let's say, you can see there are so many balloons floating in the skies. There are different types of balloons in the skies. And among those balloons, you will select one particular balloon, and you feel that that balloon is so colorful, so attractive. And your mind will ignore the other balloons, it will focus only on that particular balloon. So our attention allows us to focus on the particular objects. So this is the example. I hope you understand what is the meaning of attentions. So what is the differences between the intention and attentions? So attention, it moves our mind towards general objects, but the attention, it directs our mind towards the particular objects. So this is the differences between the intention and attentions. So intention moves the mind toward the general objects, and the attention directs the mind toward the particular objects. So this is the difference between the intention and attentions. So what is the context? So context, it's like when your sense faculties and objects and your consciousness, when they come together, then like a contact allows our mind to meet the objects. So without contact, there is no way, there would not be, impossible to meet our mind to the towards the objects. So this is the definitions of context. So what there are different types of contexts. I think there are 6 types of the context, quite similar with the intentions. So there are 6 types of contexts. The context when the visual sense faculty to come together, then the contact when the ear sense faculty to come together, then the contact when our nose sense faculty to come together, then the contact our tongue, when our tongue sense faculty to come together, then the contact when the body sense faculty to come together, then the last one is a contact when the mental sense faculty to come together. So these are the 6 types of the contexts. So if you look at the 5 omnipresent mental factor, if any of them were lacking for mental states, then the object could not be fully experienced. Let's say if there is no feeling, then there would be no experience. Then if there is no discernment, then there would be impossible to apprehend the distinguishing characteristic of the objects. We cannot apprehend the object's attribute. Then if there is no intention, then there would be no moving towards an object. And if there is no attention, then there would be no directing towards a particular object. And then if there is no contact, then there would be no meeting the object, meeting with the objects, and arise the different types of feelings. So these are the 5 omnipresent mental factor. I have already discussed now. It is finished. In my next video, I will discuss about the 5 mental factor with the determinate objects. That's all today, and I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope to see you once again in my next video. That's all. Thank you.